Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's minute looks at how all calories are not metabolically alike to the body. When it comes to weight loss, are all calories created equal? A large study published in the journal BMJ found that the overweight participants who replaced their carbohydrate consumption with fat dramatically increased their metabolisms. In fact, after 5 months, their bodies burned 250 calories more per day than those who ate a high-carb, low-fat diet. The participants eating the low-carb diet also had the sharpest declines in Ghrelin, a hormone produced in the stomach. Ghrelin not only promotes hunger and body fat, but also lowers energy expenditure. The authors of the study noted that suppressing Ghrelin could be one of the reasons the low-carb diet increased metabolism. One of the best natural ways to boost metabolism is through chiropractic care. Since your spine is such an important part of your central nervous system, when properly aligned, your digestion improves, your body receives more energy, and your metabolism increases to keep up. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.